Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so get excited. We have got some spoilers for the BoxyCharm April Premium box, and these are really good ones too. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was I found Joe's doppelganger on YouTube. Congratulations, Jen. Jen says, good morning. Can't wait to see his look-alike. Hope you have a great day, Mandy. Well, thank you, Jen. And did you see that, honey? I mean, they look identical. I didn't know if I was going crazy or what. But, Jen, I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into these spoilers. Now, again, this is for the April Premium BoxyCharm box. Now, let me go ahead and tell y'all this. So you will be getting 1 out of these 4 items I'm about to show you, and these are really good. Now, I don't know if these are going to be choice items or what. That has yet to be revealed, but we'll find out in time. So first up is the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. Now, if you are not familiar with Lunar Beauty, that is Manny MUA's brand, and that was his very first palette he ever put out, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, you could either get that or the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Hydration Mask, another really great product. Now, I haven't tried it myself, but I love anything with honey in it. You know, I got to have my sweets. So if you don't get those 2 items, you might get the Pure Cosmetics and the Barbie Collab palette. Now, this is an eyeshadow palette. This one I have been eyeballing ever since they showed it. I knew it was going to be in a future box. This is an absolutely gorgeous palette, y'all. And last but certainly not least, so if you don't get those last 3 items, you're going to be getting the Smashbox LA Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette. Another great palette. Guys, these are some really great spoilers. I haven't been this excited over spoilers in a long time. And I only wish I was getting this box, y'all, because I really love all of those. I would love to have any one of them. But my favorite, I'd either want that Life's a Drag palette or that Barbie palette. Either one of those, I'd be happy with the Smashbox. And then my last choice would be the Honey Potion. So if you would, let me know down in the comments which one of these are your favorite. And again, these could be the choice items, guys. They just haven't confirmed it yet. But don't quote me. So we got to wait on that confirmation, guys. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Laura Jacobo. Laura says, hey, Mandy, me and my girls love your videos. Hugs from California, girl. Laura, that is the sweetest thing I've heard in a while, honey. Tell your girls I said hey, and I really appreciate y'all watching my videos. I'm so glad y'all enjoy them. I love you, girls. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been taking away subscribers like they're theirs or something. I don't know what they're thinking. But anyways, if you would double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine and you'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.